And very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, excellencies. After very demanding, but I think very successful and very encouraging days in a Viennese environment of the Hofburg Empire, I would like to welcome you in our humble empire, Luxembourg. Last night when Anneke and I were driving back close to midnight, there were two observations we made. One was, it's good to be back in this humble empire. Second one was, when we came here, and we would like to help, we would like to help our team, which was moving all the stuff from Hofburg to here. We came here and everything was dark because everything was done. And I think usually we do these things at the end of the conference, but I would like to break through tradition because that's what I do all the time, and ask you to give a big hand to 70-plus team of EASA, which was moving this around such successfully. We are very grateful to Austrian government, to Ministry of Science, and to municipality of Luxembourg that we can enjoy these beautiful surroundings for our academic and science-to-policy interactions. As you know, EASA has been here almost 40 years. I was told first 2 years the council was still under construction, so EASA was in Baden. But then we have been enjoying these surroundings for about 38, 37 years. And not only surroundings, we have been enjoying extremely fruitful and extremely effective interaction with the municipality. I was told by the previous directors this was always been the case. And city of Luxembourg is a small city. It's only 3,000 plus people. But when you read every day how many activities this small city is doing, you are simply amazed. And in my period of my directorship, I know what is the reason behind. There's a man whose name is Robert Dienst, who is the mayor of this city, and I would like to ask Robert to come forward and to say a few words.
Thank you very much. It's a great pleasure for me to welcome you here in the conference center of the city of Luxembourg. And dear Director Kabert, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, the last 2 days, it was said, in the capital of Austria, in Vienna, today in a small town in Luxembourg, but small but beautiful, and also a very important historical place. For centuries, Luxembourg was the summer residence of the imperial family, and the emperor and his court were among the guests and brought aristocracy and high society to Luxembourg. And the courtly life reached its peak in the 18th century as the time of Maria Theresia. Luxembourg Castle is one of the most impressive castles in Europe, and its grounds considered to be a showpiece as far as it concerns the horticulture of the Emperor Franz, who were responsible for the expansion of the park to 280 hectares. In addition to the Blue Court, the Blauer Hof, where the EASA has its home, there are a large number of buildings of joy, of mystical grottos, of temples, and the medieval tournament site. The most famous building is, of course, the Franzensburg, a castle which was built between 1799 and 1801 and completed in 1835. The interior of this premises is considered to be the Austrian treasure house. Today, Luxembourg Schloss Park is the largest preserved landscape garden in Central Europe and is now a popular destination in the region. More than 1 million guests visit Luxembourg every year. The efforts of the Austrian government to settle EASA in Luxembourg have contributed greatly to the present status of our hometown. The decision in 1972 to make Luxembourg the seat of this important organization still radiates positive effects on the development of our town. And as a result, more major international organizations have now chosen Luxembourg as their home. The International Federation of Automatic Control since 1977, the International Federation for Information Processing since 1994, and most recently, the International Anti-Corruption Academy since 2010. 2 weeks ago, when the new YASA flag was raised, where all 20 member countries are visibly joined, it shows the global importance of this institute. And Luxembourg is also proud of YASA, as well as the country of Lower Austria. And in addition, Luxembourg is a partner in a wide range of climate activities in Austria and even in Europe. We are member of Klimabündnis, the Climate Alliance, member of Bodenbündnis, the Land and Soil Alliance, and one of only 11 cities from 2,357 cities in Austria, member of the European Initiative Covenant of Mayors. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to warmly welcome you to Luxembourg, and it's my pleasure to send the best regards from our governor, from Landeshauptmann Dr. Erwin Pröll. Lower Austria is pleased to welcome you in this historical and significant site, and also to invite you for lunch in the Oval and the Marshall rooms of this conference center, which was the former official dining room of Austria's Empress Maria Theresia. I wish YASA, at the occasion of their 40th birthday, the very best. Today's conference a good and successful course, and all the best for the future of YASA here in Luxembourg. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, YASA is there because NMOs, national organizations from 20 countries, are there. We are primarily supported by 20 NMOs from 20 countries. And it has been like that from the very beginning. There were 12 countries in 1972. There are 20 countries now. I mentioned yesterday we hope for a couple of more within the near future. But it was not always easy, because history is, as you know, history. And sometimes history is turbulent. And YASA was established as a bridge between former East and West. And of course, former East and West changed to a different setting in Europe. And when that happened in 1890, the question came what to do with YASA, because bridge was built. And at that time, it was again Austrian government who took initiative to start a dialogue what YASA should become. And we are pleased to have here one of those who remembers who was in charge in the 90s, who will tell us about those times, about the importance of having NMOs behind YASA, about the importance of coming to a new setting. Rolf Kneuker, he is sitting there. I would like to ask you to come to stage. You will tell us in what position you have been there and what kind of great job you have done to actually have YASA here today.